and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about CSS and its structure. At the end of this video, you will be able to define cascading style sheets, explain different structures in CSS. Cascading style sheets is language used for the presentation of a document written in a markup language. CSS allows controlling the style of the web page like design, layout and animations. CSS can be applied in three ways within a web page: external style sheet, internal style sheet and inline style sheet. An external style sheet affects the look of an entire website. Any change you make to the external style sheet impacts all the pages of the website. External CSS code is written in a separate file and the file is saved with an extension of .css. By using the link tag, link, this style sheet can be applied to any web page. For example, in this program, the background color and heading attributes will be applicable to all the web pages of the website. On the other hand, an internal style sheet is used for a single web page only and used as a unique style sheet, which is placed inside the HTML document. This CSS is added within head element only. The downside of using an internal style sheet is that changes to the internal style sheet only affects the page the code is inserted into. For example, in this program, the background color and heading attributes will be applicable to only the current web page. The inline style sheet is specific to the tag defines specific style for a single element when tag is applied. Inline styles can be used by adding the style attribute to the relevant element. The style attribute can contain any valid CSS property. For example, in this program, the heading style will be applicable to only this specific heading one element. Though we have added the style sheet elements, the HTML file is still not complete. You need to also add the selectors and declarations. A selector used to declare markup elements when styles are applied. A declaration follows the selector and is contained within curly braces. Every declaration consists of property values and has to end with a semicolon. A CSS file can have three types of selectors: element selector, class selector and ID selector. The element selector selects all elements with specified element name in the document. Names of the elements should be matched in the document. For example, if we take paragraph element, this paragraph element has to be the same in the entire document. For the paragraph P, background color is yellow. Class selector is a simple selector for different classes. It is used to specify a particular style for a set of elements. It starts with period, which is dot, followed by the name of the class. Here is the example for class selector. In this code, the class is called as center. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. The ID of an element should be unique within a page and should not start with number. To select an element with a specific ID, write a hash character followed by the ID of the element. Here is an example for ID selector. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Cascading style sheets is language used for defining the presentation of a document and allows controlling the style of web pages such as design, layout and animations. A style sheet can be applied in three ways: internal cascading style sheet, external cascading style sheet, inline cascading style sheet. Selectors and declarations are used to further elaborate on the elements and attributes used in Stylesheet. Thank you for watching this video.